Class 10, Chapter 12, Areas Related to Circles, Module 3. Objectives. In this module, you will learn about areas of combinations of plane figures. Now listen carefully. Last class we had discussed some problems. Now some other problems related with it. In this figure, a square OABC is inscribed in a quadrant OPBQ. If OA is equal to 20 cm, find the area of the shaded region. Use the value of pi as 3.14. Now listen carefully, the first figure. OABC is a square and OPBQ is a quadrant. What do you mean by a quadrant? So, it is just as a sector. Okay. But the angle is what? 90 degree. Now, we need to find out the area of the shaded portion. So, what is that? Area of the shaded portion is equal to area of the quadrant minus what? Area of the square. Now, we know what is the length of OA is 20 cm. The side of the square is equal to 20 cm. So, we can find out the area of the square. Okay. Now, next one, to find the area of the quadrant OPBQ. Theta is 90 degree by 360 into pi r square. So, radius of this quadrant is what? OP. It is not given. So, OP and OQ. Then one more is there. What? OB is also what? The radius of which one? The quadrant of PBQ. So first we need to find out OB using the Pythagoras property. That is OB square is equal to OA square plus AB square. That is 20 square plus 20 square is equal to 400 plus 400, which is equal to 800. Then OB is equal to what? Square root of 800, which is equal to 20 root 2. Now, the radius of the quadrant is what? 20 root 2. After that, we need to find out area of the quadrant OPBQ. So, what is the equation area of the quadrant? That is the same as area of the sector. That is theta by 360 into pi r square. Here, what is theta? 90 by 360 into pi into, that is 3.14 pi value into radius what? 20 root 2 the whole square. That is 90 and 360 are cancelled. What we get? 1 by 4. Then pi value 3.14 into 20 root 2 into 20 root 2. So root 2 into root 2 is what? 2. Now multiply that all the 3.14 into, now listen carefully, 4 and 20 you can cancel 5. Then 5 into 20 into 2. So what we get at last? 628 is the area of the quadrant. Now we need to find out what? Area of the square. So what is the equation area of the square? Side into side. So that is what? 20 square, which is equal to 400. At last, area of the shaded region is equal to area of the quadrant OPBQ minus area of the square OABC. So what is that? 628 minus 400, which is equal to what? 228 centimeters square. Clear, students? Now the second question. In this figure, ABC is a quadrant. So listen carefully, maximum mark question. 4 mark question is this one. So ABC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter. And a semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter. Find the area of the shaded region. Now listen carefully in this question. AC is equal to 14 centimeter given, same as what AB is also 14 centimeter. Now a semicircle is drawn with BC as diameter is given. So we need to find out first what BC. It is not given. So in triangle ABC, BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square, that is 14 square plus 14 square is equal to what? To 14 square. Now BC is equal to what? Square root of 2. And 14 square root is what? 14. So 14 root 2. Now the required area is equal to what? Area of B, D, C, E, B. That is the area of the shaded portion. Is equal to area of B, C, E, B minus, that is the area of the semicircle, minus area of B, C, D, B, that small portion. Now area of B, C, E, B minus area of B, C, D, B. What is that small portion area is equal to what? Area of A, C, D, B. That is the quadrant minus area of the triangle ABC or ACB. Now substitute all that equation. Area of BCEB. BCEB, that is a semicircle. So what is that area? That BCEB is equal to half of pi into radius square. So what is the radius BC? Diameter is what? 14 root 2 BC. So radius is equal to what? 14 root 2 by 2. Then which is the whole square of that? 1 by 2 half of pi r square minus area A, C, D, B. That is a quadrant. So what is the equation? 90 by 360 into pi into radius what? 14 into 14, 14 square minus half into base what? 14 and perpendicular height is what? 14. Now the calculation is done. Here you can cancel 1 by 2 into pi value 22 by 7 into 14 by 2 into 14 root 2 by 2 into 14 root 2 by 2 is there. So you can cancel 14 by 2 what? 7 root 2 into next square is there. So one more that 14 root 2 by 2. So cancel that what? 7 root 2 minus of 90 by 360 1 by 4 into pi value 22 by 7 into 14 square 14 into 14 minus 1 by 2 into 14 into 14. Now the first one root 2 into root 2 what? 2 and the first 1 by 2, that 2 are cancelled. Remaining what? 2 7s are there. 1 7 7 are cancelled. Remaining 7. So 22 into 7 is equal to what? 154. Minus the second one calculation also. Listen carefully. 7 and 14 cancel how much time? 2 times. 2 and 4 are cancelled but 2 times. 2 and 22 cancel 11 times. 11 into 14 is equal to what? 154 minus 14 by 2 is equal to what? 7. 7 into 14 is equal to 98. Now first 154 minus 154 what? 0. Minus of minus, that become plus 98. Clear? Now the next one, calculate the area of the designed region in the figure common between the two quadrants of a circle of radius 8 cm each. So listen carefully, this one textbook question. Last question is this one. So in this figure A, B, C, D, we can name it first. The square having side how much? 8 cm each. We need to find out the area of the designed region. So area of the shaded region is equal to 2 into area of the segment BD. Area of the segment BD. Now the segment you know, that small portion from that sector. Okay. So 2 into means both side is there. So we call what we can write what? 2 into area of the segment BD. Considering the quadrant ABD. Area of the quadrant ABD is equal to 90 by 360 into pi into r square. Now 1 by 4 into, that is 90 and 360 are cancelled. 1 by 4 into 3.14 into r radius what? 8. 8 into 8. So we can cancel it and divide it. So at last what we get? 50.24 centimeter square. That is what area of the quadrant ABD only. Now area of the triangle ABD. So area of the triangle ABD. So middle portion, just you draw a line. So area of the quadrant, area of the triangle ABD is equal to half into base what? 8 into height what? 8, which is equal to 32 centimeter. Now area of the segment BD, area of the segment BD is equal to area of the quadrant ABD minus area of the triangle ABD. That is 50.24 minus 32, which is equal to 18.24. Now area of the shaded region is equal to what? Twice of that. So that BD only here. So that is only one part. Now the second part also we need to include. So 2 into 18.24, which is equal to 36.48 centimeter square. Clear, students? Now the next one, example question. Find the area of the shaded region in this figure, where ABCD is a square of side 10 centimeter and the semicircles are drawn with each side of the square as diameter. We know how to draw this one. That is very good figure. Okay, so we need to find out area of the shaded portion. So first we divide that into 4 different regions. Let us mark that regions as 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Now area of 1 plus area of 3 is equal to area of that square minus area of 2 semicircles. Okay, so area of square is what? 10 into 10 minus semicircle area. So area of circle is what? Pi r square. If it is semicircle, what? Half of pi into r square. So what? Area of semicircle. Here what is given? Square of side 10 centimeter, which is the diameter. So its radius is what? 5. Now the next one, 10 into 10, 100 minus 2 and 2 are cancelled, 3.14 into 25, which is equal to 100 minus what? 3.14 into 25, 78.5. At last, when you subtract it, what? 21.5 centimeters square. Now similarly, area of the region 2 and 4 also the same answer itself, 21.5 centimeters square. Now we will find out area of the shaded portion. So area of ABCD, the square ABCD minus area of region 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So that is what? 100 minus 2 into 21.5. That is 100 minus 43, which is equal to what? 57 centimeters square. Okay. Now the last question. In this figure, 2 circular flower beds have been shown on 2 sides of a square lawn. Suppose it is a square lawn. ABCD of side 56 meter. If the center of each circular flower bed is the point of intersection O of the diagonals of the square lawn, find the sum of the areas of the square lawn and the flower beds. So we need to find out what the whole portion area, that is the square lawn, and also the 2 sides, top and bottom flower beds are there. Now area of the square lawn ABCD is equal to what? 56 into 56. You can find out the answer, otherwise keep it in that way. Let OA is equal to OB is equal to what? R. Now OA square plus OB square is equal to what? 56 square, AB square. Okay, so 2R square is equal to 56 into 56. So R square is equal to 28 into 56. Now R square is what? 28 into 56. No need of finding R. Keep it in this way itself. Now the problem is done. The area of the sector OAB is equal to what? 90 is the angle. Okay, so 90 by 360 into pi r square. That is 90 by 360 what? 1 by 4 into pi into 28 into 56. Now area of the triangle OAB is equal to half into OA into OBA, which is equal to what? Half into R square. Now the next one, half into What is that? R square is what? 28 into 56. Substitute it there. Next one, area of one flower bed AB is equal to area of the sector OAB minus area of triangle OAB. So substitute all that. Area of the sector OAB is equal to 1 by 4 into 22 by 7 into 28 into 56 minus half into what? Area of the triangle OAB is what? 28 into 56. When you subtract, what is at last? 448. Thus the total area of the square lawn and the flower bed is equal to area of the square, that is the middle portion, plus twice of area of the one flower bed, that is 56 into 56 plus 2 into 448, that is 3136 plus 900, 896, which is equal to 4032 meters square. Clear, students? Okay, thank you.